Concept 3, finding area and circumference on a coordinate plane. So we've learned how to find the area or circumference of a circle when we're given the radius or diameter. All right, now we're going to be doing the same thing, but instead of just being given the radius or diameter, we're going to have our circle on a coordinate plane, and we're going to have to determine that radius or diameter. All right. We will simply be given the center of the circle sometimes and a point on the outside. All right, and it's up to us to figure out the distance. So if I'm looking at this circle, I see my center is at 2, 2. My one point on my circle is at 0, 2. So they're at the same y value, same level vertically. Okay. And there's a distance of 2 between them horizontally, which means that from my center to my edge is a radius of 2. All right, so I've got a radius equal to 2, and then I need to find my circumference and area. So I'm going to look at this, I'm going to say, all right, I need to find the area of the circle in terms of pi and to the nearest tenth. Well, I know my formula is area equals pi r squared. Okay. So if I'm going to do this in terms of pi, then I'm just going to leave pi in there. So I'm going to have pi and then r squared, and r in this case is 2. So 2 squared is 4. So I have 4 pi is going to be my area, and that's going to be in terms of pi, or when it's time to get it in terms of a decimal to the nearest tenth, I'm going to pull out my calculator and just do 4 times 3.14, and to the nearest tenth would be 12.56, round up to 12.6 because that'll be the nearest tenth, and that's all I need to do. All right. Sometimes you'll have a circle that is not right on one of the axes, and you'll go through the same process. You just won't have a 0 as one of these. You'll still just need to figure out what the radius is, what the distance horizontally or vertically is from the center to the outside.